love the rain. I actually do. This weather doesn't bother me. I'm also realising the more and more I do stuff like this, it keeps my mind at ease. There's one thing I want to leave you guys with today. Winners were simply losers that tried one more time. That's a quote I've been seeing a lot, and I think I'm actually in agreement with it. I agree that, do you know what? Fucking hell, yeah, we can lose a lot. But when it all cracks, when that one win happens, you think about all the times you lost and how it was worth it to get to the point you're at today. And that's in all walks of life. I mean, lost by any way, shape or form. But yeah, good times are coming, man. Good times are coming. Take care and God bless you lot.